back to another video on my channel. I am going to start vlogging a little bit more because I haven't vlogged in a while. I also haven't filmed like videos in general in a while. Some things have just come up in life that I, you know, really needed to like take some time for myself, to like care for myself, and I'm good now. So yeah, I wanted to record, and I wanted to record a week in my life, because I've done a weekend in my life and I've done like a day in my life, but I've never done like a whole week. So it's Tuesday after work. I just got home from work and I am signed up for spin class tonight at 7 o'clock. So I am going to make a quick like dinner because I am starving. Like I can't wait till after spin class. So I am going to cook one of my HelloFresh meals. Which one should I cook? If you haven't heard of HelloFresh, they are a meal subscription delivery service. You can order meals to get them straight delivered right to your home. All the ingredients that you need for those meals are exactly in your package. So I got 3 meals in my box. And so everything I need to cook these quesadillas are right in here. So it's super, super convenient. It's so easy. I have ordered from HelloFresh so many times. These are all of my recipes. Like these are the things that it comes with. So it like gives you step-by-step instructions on how to cook each thing. They're so easy to follow. I literally just like plop it up here and I like dump everything out of my bag and then I just like follow along. So since I work every day, I don't like have time a lot of the times to cook like a full, you know, meal that takes like hours to cook. So this is super fast. I really appreciate how convenient and quick and just really easy. But all of the ingredients are super safe. Everything is fresh. They deliver it fresh the day of, so you can choose the day you get it delivered to your place. Like it comes packed with like some ice packs and it's super ventilated, so you won't have to worry about your produce or like your meats going bad, as long as you like open it the day that you get it and put it in your fridge or freezer right away. It's very sanitary, very safe, and like I said, just like really convenient. So this is a photo of what I'm gonna make. Finished dinner and now I am going to spin class. I'm drinking C4. I know, don't yell at me guys. I know C4 is not the best for you and I literally never ever use it. I only need it when I like am desperate, and I'm so desperate. I am so sleepy. So just a little bit of I just like breathed it in. So a little bit of pre-workout and then I'm going to spin class. I also hate how it's so dark at night now. It's only like 6:30 and it's like so dark. But anyway, I'm gonna go to spin class for 40 minutes and then I'm going to the mall after spin class because my friends and I are going to New York City this weekend and I need clothes. That's literally what we all say when we go travel, like we need clothes. I'm gonna head out to spin class. I'll try to record when I get there. Probably not because I can't record while I'm spinning, but I'll see you guys later.
5 times a week. He gets his ass kicked all the time. Thank you so much. You're the bomb.
Oh, yikes, I look like a hot mess. Just finished spin class. Hey girlfriend. You're what?
I'm tired.
Let's go shopping. We're shopping at 9 p.m. It's currently 8:45 p.m. The mall closes at 9 and we are here. People do this all the time. People always come at the last minute. When I used to work at the mall, people always came last minute. This is what I came for, Topshop. This is cute. Oh my god. Everything is tiger. Hi guys, so I'm back in my apartment. We had such a fail at the mall. We were trying to find outfits for New York and we didn't. So what we're doing right now is me and Ida, my best friend, we're both shopping. Yes. We're shopping on Fashion Nova because Fashion Nova has free next day shipping if you spend $75 or more.
I'm failing at life.
This is the situation, trying to find an outfit We're trying to find dresses for New York. Like, how stressful is this? Like, we waited till the last minute to find outfits for this trip, which we're going on in 2 days. We have wine here to try to help, but it's not really helping.
Get it together.
Yeah, who knew shopping would be this stressful? But I'm probably gonna log out for the night. It's pretty late. It's like 11 at night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. I am so tired. It's really early. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm up because I'm working from home today. Got my computer and it's a beautiful morning. It's starting to get like so cold now. It's like officially fall, so sometimes it's nice to like stay home and just get to work from my couch. I actually did a my work from home morning routine, I think is what I called it. I filmed that like a few weeks ago, if you're interested in seeing my like full routine. But today is gonna be chill. So I have to work a lot. I have a lot of work to do before we go to New York on Friday. Today's Wednesday. And I have to get my nails done. I have to start packing, and I have to film a video also, which I might film today. I don't know yet. And I think that's all I have to do. I wanted to stop by the mall again to try to find some more clothes to wear, but I'm not sure. Face is very red because I just exfoliated it. Every time I exfoliate my face, I have like these 2 spots like on my face, like kind of on the sides where they get so red. It's just like, yeah, that's just how I've always been. My eyes are puffy because I just put some eye cream on it, and yeah, I just look like a hot mess today, so whatever. And I also wanted to work out today, and I think I'll vlog that. I have a gym in my apartment, and I usually do the Stairmaster there. That's like my favorite machine to use, and it's a really good workout. So I'm gonna do that. I might do some arm workouts and some abs, so I think I can vlog that too. So that's the plan for today. But again, every time I plan for my days, sometimes they don't go as planned, things come up. I'm trying this new thing where I like stay really zen, and where I stay like totally present and try not to think too much about the future and like what I need to do and all that. And like I try not to think about the past. Like I read this new book, it's called The Power of Now. I should show you guys actually. Well, I can put a little like picture here of it. But it's called The Power of Now. I got it on my iPad on the Books app. I think it was like $10, but it's a really powerful book. I've tweeted about this and Instagrammed about it, so maybe you've heard me say this before, but this book is so like, it's just really powerful. Like it really just helps you separate your body from your mind. So, you know, all the worries, all the sadness, all the pain, all the like emotions that you may have that you think you can't control, you actually can. You just have to like, there's like a technique that the book describes how to like, yeah, just separate your mind from your body and be able to like watch what you're feeling and just like kind of like separate from it. It's so crazy. And it also like, you know, preaches about how, you know, us creating time is what causes all the worry and the pain. Thinking about the future is worry. Thinking about the past, you know, you think about like bad things from the past and it just like haunts you or whatever. So yeah, I've been reading that for a week, and I've actually noticed a difference. I feel a lot less stressed. My anxiety has gone down a lot, and I just feel more like just relaxed in general. I feel a lot happier too. I used to be so stressed every day, and I'm just learning to take it one day at a time. And yeah, that's my little preach, my morning sermon. Okay, so I just got literally 4 emails in the past 2 minutes I was talking. Okay, so I gotta go, guys. I got to do some work. Honestly, like my week in the life is probably like your week in the life. I just work and I run errands and I work out, and that's really it. But I hope you guys think this is interesting so far. So I will be vlogging New York. That's gonna be a separate vlog, but I'm definitely vlogging that, so I'm really excited to, you know, show you guys what we're doing for that. We're actually getting a limo on Friday night because it's my friend's birthday. Her birthday's actually on Halloween, but we're celebrating early. So the 5 of us, this is my same group of friends that went to Miami with, but we are like, we got a limo and we're gonna like go to like some clubs and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. I wanted to show you guys my breakfast. I'm having avocado toast with an egg on top of one of them and just one little chicken sausage because I only had one left. Also, I think I have the Friends theme nailed down pretty much. Hi guys, what's up? It's a lot later in the day. I don't remember the last thing I vlogged, but basically I went to get my nails done. This is what they look like. I am also vlogging for the first time on my new phone, which is the iPhone 11. So I hope the quality is better than the previous phone. I keep forgetting my camera every time I plan on vlogging. I always leave my camera at home. So yeah, vlogging on my phone. Sorry if it's dark. But yeah, I went to get my nails done. Just like that new design that I've been seeing a lot. I don't know if it's new, but I've seen this a lot like on social media and I love it. These are my real nails. These are dip. So I get dip every time I get my nails done. So my nails have just grown out so much. So I love it. It's just so natural. It's so unique. I'm going to try to go to the gym when I get home, but I still have to work a little bit and I have to pack still. I honestly procrastinated so much today, but I also just had so much work to do and I have even more work to do. So I'm going to go home and hopefully work out. But if not, I'm going to like cook dinner and stuff. So I will see y'all then. Guys, I suck at vlogging. It's Thursday afternoon or evening. It's 5:45. I just got home from work. I really love to vlog, but I think I'm better at it on the weekends because during the weeks I'm crazy busy. It's just, yeah, it's just a hot mess of a time. But so yeah, it's Thursday and tomorrow morning at 7:00 a.m. I am leaving for New York for the weekend. So tonight I need to pack. I need to do my toes. I need to like paint my toes. And I need to just clean. I have my laundry sitting right there. God, does anyone else just have like their laundry in the basket for like a week or two, just kind of sitting there, just like never folding it? Because that's me. I will vlog in New York and I'm really excited to vlog that because we're going to be doing a lot of touristy stuff because it's my one of my friends' first time in New York. So we have like a full agenda of all the places we want to go to. Hey guys, it is a few hours later and I am in the middle of packing. I am struggling so hard putting outfits together. Does anyone else struggle when they pack because they just like don't know what outfits to put together? So this is what I have so far. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on. I have this thing going on. I featured this in my Express haul, that one too. I was thinking of wearing that with like a t-shirt and skinny jeans and maybe these boots, and then this top is also from Express with some like black jeans and then my Steve Madden boots. So I don't know, it's just I'm really struggling honestly. Like packing is so hard for me, but it's a work in progress and we're gonna get it done tonight. I'm gonna spend the rest of my night packing and then I also have to clean my apartment. I don't like traveling anywhere unless my place is like spotless. So yeah, I'm gonna finish packing. I'm gonna do my laundry. I'm gonna like clean my whole place. And then, oh, and then I still have to do my toes. They're really gross and I need to do them because I'm gonna be wearing some, you know, strapless heels this weekend. So I'm really excited to vlog New York. I'm really excited for you guys to see like what we do. Hi guys, Stephanie from the future jumping in here. I'm currently editing this video that you're watching and I wanted to quickly jump in and say that I actually lost my camera in New York. So I'm back from New York City. I got back last night and I vlogged the whole entire thing. And last night, like right before we left, I lost it. I think I left it in an Uber or I have no idea where it went. But unfortunately, I lost my camera, so I lost all my footage. So I'm very sad to say there's not going to be a New York vlog. I'm really sorry if you're looking forward to that. I'm really upset because I really filmed so much and like I lost my camera and I'm so sad. So I hope you guys aren't too upset that there's not going to be a New York vlog, but yeah, I just wanted to jump in quickly and say that. Yeah, I'm really excited for the weekend. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry if I didn't really show that much, but honestly, that's what my week looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video.